So you want to BCC text message people from your iPhone or Android phone, where maybe you want to send something similar to a group text that goes out to a lot of people, but you don't want the replies to go to everybody when people start replying, and you prefer to be a little bit more private, one-on-one, personal. Well, that's why we made Hit 'em Up, and it's really easy to send a BCC text message with Hit 'em Up. You can try it for free. Let me show you how that works really quickly. From your iPhone or Android phone to send SMS BCC text messages where the replies only go to you, the sender. Okay, so what you're gonna wanna do, oh yeah, check out our cool little studio here. We have little artifacts from Armenia and from, collecting different notes and stuff. Anyway, enough about that. We even drew a little picture here. I'm not the best artist. But yeah, what you're going to want to do is go to the App Store and go to Hit 'em Up. You'll see here, and open up Hit 'em Up, and we'll provide links in the downloads, but in the description. I'm sorry. So open this guy up. Here's Hit 'em Up. This is what it looks like. It'll sync your contacts at the bottom. I won't show you all my contacts because they're actually my contacts, and I don't want to blast their phone numbers over the internet here, but I'll show you a list that I made of people who don't mind because they're not real. So these are my clients, and I put them into a group. You can add people to a group by clicking the Add People button here. And all you have to do to send a BCC text on Hit 'em Up is select this group. You can also deselect individual people if you like, so maybe Steve Bobs doesn't want to get my message. But let's go ahead. You can create multiple groups, by the way, and select multiple for sending. But I'm going to click Compose and just write, hey, and then I'm going to put a space. And the cool thing about Hit 'em Up is that you can BCC text people with their first name or last name in the message. So I can tap, hey, first name, and I'll just click Record. I hope to see you at my party later today, ! Great. Okay. Oh, got great in there. All right, so this is a pretty good message to send. I can also save this to a template if I like for later, and delete it by swiping. So I'll click Close. And that does it for me. I've selected the people I want to receive. I've composed my message. So now I click Next up in the top corner here. And this previews my message. So as you can see, it previews and shows you what it would look like to each of the people who are due to receive my message. It's kind of cool. Hey, John. Hey, Steve. I hope to see you at my party. So that looks pretty good to me. I'm going to click Send. You just enter your phone number and you're good to go. So that pretty much is it. It will start to open iMessage for you afterwards. So you just click send, and you're done. That's a BCC text message from iPhone or Android. Check us out on the App Store. Check out the links below. We'll link to exactly how to do what I just showed you. And have a great day. Stay classy.